Hello. What I want to do in this video is batch rename multiple files. So rather than making you wait all the way through this video and find out it's not something you're looking to do, I'm going to go ahead and show you the end result of this video so you'll know if you want to stick around and watch the rest. So first thing I want to do, I'm going to get rid of this Stephen Johnston's name, and then I'm going to replace it with a different name for this file. So what I want to do is I want to get, while I'm in the folder where I want to be, I want to hit shift right click. So what I want to do is hit shift right click and open PowerShell window here. You want to be in the folder you want to work in where all the file names are, right? So open that up, and then I'm going to copy and paste some code that I have, and I will put this down below so you can copy too. And I'm going to change the file name to OT, or part of the file name to OT05. Let's put this back up here. So and you'll notice Stephen Johnston's name's gone, OT05 is in there, right? So that's what I want to show you. So if that's what you're looking for, if that's what you're looking to do, is something similar to that, stick around. Let's go ahead and do the next one. So what we're doing is we're going to the folder that we want to be in. So what we want to do is we want to shift right click, open PowerShell window here, and move this up out of the way. And we'll take this code, copy and paste, get my cursor, Control V. Alright, now let me open this up a little bit so you can see what's going on here. Alright, what this is saying get everything that's got .mp3 attached to it. When you do that, go in there and rename and find the word Stephen and rename with OT06. That's the first line. Now I don't want any part of Stephen Johnston's name in there, so on the second line it's going to say go in there, find everything with MP3, and go in there and rename, find Johnston, and you'll notice my parentheses are empty. So it's going to find Johnston, and it's going to just rename it with nothing. It's going to be blank. It's just going to remove it. So watch what happens. Enter. And notice Stephen Johnston is gone. And that's really all there is to it. If this helped you, how about leaving a like, thumbs up, subscribe, share it with someone? I would appreciate it. And you have a good day.